Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today the last 3, 4, 5 videos we discussed the identities on the square, on the basis of the square. Suppose a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, or a plus b plus c whole square, all the discussion is covered, and on the basis of the formula different sum will be solved. Oh, that is already solved. Okay, now today I just discuss the algebraic identity is the cube. So first formula of this cube is a plus b whole cube. You just write down all the formulas here. You just learn this, understand the formula. If you understand properly the formula, maths will be very easier to solve to you. Okay. So here a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. Now first we say in which answer it will come a plus b whole cube. Just to discuss one thing here. A plus b whole cube. What is the meaning of this? A plus b whole cube means actually a plus b into a plus b into a plus b in this. This is actually a plus b whole cube means a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. The first one you know, a plus b into a plus b whole square, you know the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. You know it very well. A plus b whole square, a plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b whole square, you know very well. Now just you multiply it with these. In this way the formula it comes. Okay, just one sum, one formula I just deduct in this way. Why this formula is coming? So now this is a into a square into a square, this a square into a. So this is a cube. A square into a cube, a square into b, this a square b, you know, clear, plus 2ab into a, 2a square b, you know the multiplication, a square b. Now this is 2ab square, you know. Now the last is b square a, so actually ab square, and this is b cube. Okay. So just to arrange in this way, So this is a cube, no. A square b and this is a square b. 2a square b and this is a square b. So right here 3a square b, no problem. 2ab square and there is ab square, so 3ab square. And this is b cube. The formula is coming a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube here, a cube, this is a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square, 3ab square and b cube. So in this way the formula is coming. Okay, just I discuss one deduction of this formula. All the formulas is coming in this way. First, just you remember a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now just one thing I just here, if you remember one formula, from there you deduct so many formulas. If you remember one formula, from there you deduct so many formulas. Suppose here a plus b whole cube is equal to, you know this is, so you write in this way, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You write in this way also. Now the next stage, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab is common. So one formula is developed here. Clear? So a plus b whole cube, you just know this formula. From this formula it's coming. So a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So from there, don't to be panic. Just to not remember all the formula. If you know the one formula, from there you deduct. But in case of the shorter time or easier way, you just remember the formula. But if one time you forget the formula, you just deduct. Just I show you in which way you deduct the formula if you forget the formula. Okay, for this precaution. Now A plus B whole cube, A cube plus 3A square B plus 3B square B cube. So the same formula is from there you come in. A plus B whole cube is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB and A plus B. Okay, from here also deduct a formula. Suppose here, this is A plus B whole cube. So here you write this right hand side A cube plus B cube. So what is the formula developed? A plus B whole cube, and this part is get minus 3 AB A plus B. One formula is deducts from there. Just to show it. A plus B whole cube here, don't to be confused. A plus B, here you write, if the confusion arises, here you write A plus B whole cube. A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB A plus B. No problem. So in this way, you just deduct this formula. A cube plus B cube. Just you right hand side and you just shifting in the left hand side. So this is the right hand side. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube here, and you shifting is. So minus 3AB A plus B. Or you write A cube plus B cube, that is equal to A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3 AB A plus B. So this formula is coming from this formula. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3B. So one formula you just remember, from there you deduct so many formulas. Okay, no problem at all. Clear? So in this way, this also coming A minus B whole cube, that is A cube minus 3A square B plus 3B square B cube. Just I write down here. No problem, don't to be panic. So many formulas learn and then no problem. If you just learn or remember one formula, from there you deduct, no problem at all. But for your easier way, you just remember the formula. Suppose here A minus B whole cube. You just remember this, A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. And in which way it's coming, I just show A plus B whole cube. So here is A minus B whole cube also. A minus B into A minus B into A minus B. No problem. So A minus B whole square, you know, this is A square minus 2AB plus B square. You just multiply with A minus B. Now here, just you arrange. So this is A minus B whole cube. That is equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square. So next line you just arrange. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB is common. Minus 3B is common. What is the left? This is A and this is plus, this is minus. So one formula is developed. Other formula. A minus B whole cube, that is equal to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3B square minus B cube. Or A minus B whole cube also this. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A minus B. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A minus B. Now from there you developed a formula. This formula you developed. In which way? So this is A cube, you write A cube minus B cube. Now what is this? A minus B whole cube. This is shifting in the left hand side plus 3AB A minus B. So one new formula is developed. A cube minus B cube is A minus B whole cube plus 3AB A minus B. So all the formula will be deducted. But for your easier way to solve the sum, you just remember the formula. I show you here to deduct. What is the process of deduction? If you anytime, if you just maybe forget the formula, from there don't to be panic, don't to be confused. If you know this formula or know this formula, the original formula, you just deduct the different pattern of the formula. If you forget, suppose if you forget A cube minus B cube, what is the formula A cube minus B cube? If you forget this, then you deduct from there. No problem at all. Clear? So now, this is one deduction. Okay. Now here a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3b a plus b, okay, or a cube minus b cube a minus b whole cube plus 3b a minus b. Now this is the two formula. Now a cube plus b cube, one formula also there. A cube plus b cube is a plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square, one, and a cube minus b cube a minus b a square plus ab plus b. But specially these two formula actually used for the factor or factorize the something, factorize the algebraic expression, use the formula. Factorize means the multiple relation. So here is a cube plus b cube a plus b, here is the multiple relation, these two multiply. Suppose if you just a cube plus b cube divided by a plus b, you get the answer. If you just divided a cube plus b cube, you divided a square minus ab plus b square, you get the answer. The question did this. So this formula is particularly used in case of the factorization. In the further way I just discussed the factorization. So in that time you just use the formula, and this formula is used for the value. Find out the value of this for that. Okay. So if you just multiply this, so you get this. Now remember one thing is very important. A cube plus b cube, if you forget a cube plus b cube, first part, this is a cube plus b cube, this is a plus b whole cube. This is plus, so this is plus. If this is plus, so this is minus. Just easier way to remember. A cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3b, and this is a plus b. This is same. Now in case a cube minus b cube, a minus b whole cube first. A minus b whole cube. Don't forget. A cube minus b cube, a minus b whole cube, and if this is minus, this is plus. Okay. So this is easier way to remember the formula, and this is a minus b. Here is also a cube plus b cube, So first is a plus b, and this is minus. Both are other thing is same. So a cube minus b cube, this is minus, this is plus. The change is here. A square is there, b square. Here is minus, here is plus. This is plus, so this is minus. A cube plus b cube, this is plus, so this is minus. A cube minus b cube, so a minus b first, you write a minus b, and this is plus. Don't be confused. If this is minus, this is plus. Okay. So now this is the discussion of all the formulas here, the basic of the a cube. All the formulas are discussed gradually. Okay. Now I just solve here one or two sums for an example of this today. Suppose 2a plus 3b whole cube. 2a plus 3b whole cube. The application of the formula. Clear? No problem at all. 2a plus 3b whole cube. Okay. So here this first part is a, second part is b. So I just apply the formula a plus b whole cube. You know already. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and b cube. So here you apply 2a. So what is, just write here, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Don't be panic and don't be nervous. Okay, you know all these things, you properly understand this, you know the formula, just you apply the formula in the proper place and calculation must be right. The answer is automatically right. Okay, so easier way to learn the sum. Don't be panic. All the panic will be out. Now, this is a cube. So this part is a, you write 2a, no problem. A cube, you write 3a square b. So 2a square into b is 3b. You just properly write. Now 3ab square, 3a is 2a and this is b square, 3b whole square. And b cube, this is b cube is 3b whole cube. Okay. So now 2a cube, you know, 2a into 2a into 2a. So 2 2 is a 4 2 is a 8a cube. Okay, no problem. Now first one, 3 3 is a 9. Don't be confused. 3 3 is a 9b. First you write 9b, and this is 2a whole square. 2a whole square means 4a square. Okay, now this is 3ab. 3 into 2a, 6a. Into 3b whole square. 3 is the 9b square. The calculation is the next line. And 3b whole cube, 3 into 3 into 3, 27b cube. No problem. No problem. Don't to be very hurried. The maths will be wrong. So now, the ultimate answer is 8a cube plus 4936 s square b plus 54 ab square, and this is 27b. No problem. Clear? So in this way you solve the sum a plus b whole cube. Clear? Clear? Don't to be panic. Now the next sum. One just today I just finished all the other a minus b whole cube. One maths. Then the today I closed. Suppose 4a minus 5b whole cube. You know a minus b whole cube, the formula you already know. So a cube, a minus b whole cube. You know this is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. You already know. Clear? Just to put the value. Just put the value. 4a cube. So 4a cube. A cube minus 3a square. 4a whole square. 3a square b is 5b. Minus 3ab plus 3ab square. 4a b square. This is 5b square. And minus b cube. 5b whole cube. Clear? 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 Now this is 4a cube, that means 4a into 4a into 4a. 4, 4, 16, 64. 64a cube. Don't to be hurry. First you multiply this, 3, 5, 15. The next stage you calculate all. 3, 5, 15b, and this is 4a square. 4, 4, 16a square. This is plus 3 into 4, 12a into 5, 5, 25b square, and this is minus 5, 5, 125b cube. Okay. Okay. Now you just multiply 15 into 16. 240. So here is 64a cube minus 240 a square b plus this is just multiply 12, 25 into 12 into 12. This is 50 and this is 25. So 300. 300. This is 300. 5, 1, 2, and 2. So this is 300. So write 300 AB square minus 125 B cube. Don't to be hurry. The calculation may be wrong if you in a hurry. So what is the answer? 64a cube 240a square b plus 300ab square minus 125b. Okay. So in this way solve the sum. The next video I will discuss the so many different pattern of the sum. Okay. A cube, b cube, a cube minus b cube. Okay. All this way. So now if you just understand this, like the channel and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you.